Chapter 2 Time and Calendar. Introduction. Reading time is important in our day-to-day life. We know that the interval between one sunrise or sunset to the next is called a day. We have already learned how to read time from a clock. Let us revise it with a few questions. What is the time? Most clocks and watches have an hour hand and a minute hand. Some watches and clocks have a second hand as well. 60 seconds is equal to 1 minute, 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour, 24 hours is equal to 1 day. In hours, when the minute hand is on 12, the time is in full hours. The hour hand is at 4 in this clock. The minute hand is at 12. So the time is 4 o'clock. In half hours, when the minute hand is on 6, the time is in half hours. The hour hand is between 4 and 5 in this clock. The minute hand is at 6. So the time is 4:30 or half past 4. Use of AM and PM. The hour hand is at 6. The minute hand is at 12. It is 6 o'clock. It may be 6 o'clock in the morning. It may be 6 o'clock in the evening. So the hour hand crosses 6 twice a day. To differentiate the time whether it is morning or evening time, we use AM ante-meridiem and PM post-meridiem. The time in the evening is 6 p.m. The time in the morning is 6 a.m. Similarly, 6:30 a.m. shows 6:30 in the morning, 6:30 p.m. shows 6:30 in the evening, 1 a.m. shows 1 o'clock in the night after 12 midnight, 11 p.m. shows 11 o'clock in the night before 12 midnight. A day begins at 12 midnight and ends at 12 midnight of the following day. We can say the time from 12 midnight to 12 noon is noted as AM and time from 12 noon to 12 midnight as PM. 24-hour clock time. We normally use 12-hour clock. The hour hand of the clock goes round the clock dial twice a day, 24 hours. Some departments like railways, airlines and armed forces use 24-hour clock time. Digital watches also show 24-hour clock time. In a railway timetable, 1 p.m. is written as 1300 hours, 2 p.m. is written as 1400 hours, 3 p.m. is written as 1600 hours. Similarly, 10 p.m. is written as 2200 hours, 11 p.m. is written as 2300 hours, 12 midnight is written as 2400 hours or 0000 hours. Now study the table given below. 12-hour clock time, 12 midnight, 24-hour clock time, 2400 hours or 0000 hours, 1 a.m., 0100 hours, 3:50 a.m., 0350 hours, 9:50 a.m., 0950 hours, 11:30 a.m., 11:30 hours, 12 noon, 12:00 hours, 1 p.m., 1300 hours, 4:40 p.m., 16:40 hours, 8:40 p.m., 20:40 hours, 11:20 p.m., 22:20 hours. From the table of 24-hour notation, we observe the following rules. A. 12 midnight denoted by 24:00 hours or 0000 hours. B. 12 noon is denoted by 12:00 hours. C. The numeral formed by the two digits from right denotes the number of minutes. D. If the numeral formed by the first two digits from the left is less than 12, it denotes the number of hours before noon, so we use AM with it. For example, 8:30 hours denotes 8:30 AM. 11:50 hours denotes 11:50 AM. E. If the numeral formed by the first two digits from the left is greater than 12, the difference between the number and 12 gives the number of hours after noon, so we use PM with it. For example, 18:30 hours denotes 6:30 p.m. 21:40 hours denotes 9:40 p.m. Time in seconds. We have learnt about hour hand and minute hand. Now see the thinnest hand which moves faster than the other two. It is called second hand. It covers 60 small divisions in 1 minute. The time taken by second hand to move from one small division to the next small division is called a second. 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. Second hand. Example 1. Convert 140 seconds into minutes. Solution: we know 60 seconds is equal to 1 minute. To convert seconds into minute, we divide the given seconds by 60. Hence, 140 seconds is equal to 2 minutes 20 seconds. Addition and subtraction of times. We use different units of time, that is second, minute, hour, day, week, month, year, decade, century, etc. These units have following relations. A. 60 seconds is equal to 1 minute. B. 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour. C. 24 hours is equal to 1 day. D. 7 days is equal to 1 week. E. 30 or 31 days is equal to 1 month. F. 365 or 366 days is equal to 1 year. G. 12 months is equal to 1 year. H. 52 weeks is equal to 1 year. I. 10 years is equal to 1 decade. J. 100 years is equal to 1 century. K. 10 decades is equal to 1 century. Using the above relations, we can convert the smaller unit of time into bigger unit of time and vice versa. Now consider the following examples. Example 2. Convert into hours. A. 2 days. B. 5 days 5 hours. Solution: A. 1 day is equal to 24 hours. So 2 days is equal to 24 into 2 hours is equal to 48 hours. B. 5 days 5 hours is equal to 5 into 24 hours plus 5 hours is equal to 120 hours plus 5 hours is equal to 125 hours. Example 3. Convert 3 hours 45 minutes into minutes. Solution: 3 hours 45 minutes is equal to 3 into 60 minutes plus 45 minutes is equal to 180 plus 45 minutes is equal to 225 minutes. Example 4. Convert A. 290 hours into days and hours. B. 3230 minutes into hours and minutes. Solution: A. To convert hours into days, we have to divide the hours by 24, that is 290 divided by 24. Therefore, 290 hours is equal to 12 days and 2 hours. B. To convert minutes into hours, we have to divide minutes by 60, that is 3230 divided by 60. Hence, 3230 minutes is equal to 53 hours 50 minutes. Example 5. An express train takes 4 hours 30 minutes to reach Agra from Delhi. If train starts from Delhi at 7:45 am, then at what time will it reach Agra? Solution: the train starts from Delhi at 7:45 am and takes 4 hours 30 minutes to reach Agra. We add 4 hours 30 minutes to 7 hours 45 minutes. 11 hours 75 minutes is equal to 11 hours plus 60 minutes plus 15 minutes is equal to 11 hours plus 1 hour plus 15 minutes is equal to 12 hours 15 minutes is equal to 12:15 pm. Therefore, train will reach Agra 12:15 pm. 7 hours 45 minutes plus 4 hours 30 minutes is equal to 11 hours 75 minutes. Example 6. A school starts at 7:15 am and gets over after 6 hours 15 minutes. Then at what time does the school get over? Solution: the school starts at 7 hours 15 minutes and gets over after 6 hours 15 minutes. Therefore, the school gets over at 1:30 pm. 7 hours 15 minutes plus 6 hours 15 minutes is equal to 13 hours 30 minutes. Example 7. Subtract the following. A. 16 hours 25 minutes from 32 hours 50 minutes. B. 21 hours 30 minutes from 46 hours 20 minutes. Solution: A. First arrange the times in columns and then subtract them. Subtracting minutes from minutes and hours from hours. 32 hours 50 minutes minus 16 hours 25 minutes is equal to 16 hours 25 minutes. Hence, the difference is 16 hours 25 minutes. Working. In minutes column, 30 minutes cannot be subtracted from 20 minutes, so we borrow 1 hour from 46 hours, leaving 45 hours behind. Now 1 hour plus 20 minutes is equal to 60 minutes plus 20 minutes is equal to 80 minutes. Then 80 minus 30 is equal to 50 minutes. Also 45 minus 21 is equal to 24 hours. B. 46 hours 20 minutes minus 21 hours 30 minutes is equal to 24 hours 50 minutes. Hence, the difference is 24 hours 50 minutes. Example 8. An aeroplane leaves from Delhi at 5:20 am. It arrives at Bhubaneswar at 7:50 am. How long does it take to reach Bhubaneswar? Solution. We need to find the interval between 5:20 am and 7:50 am. Therefore, the aeroplane takes 2 hours 30 minutes for its journey from Delhi to Bhubaneswar. 7 hours 50 minutes minus 5 hours 20 minutes is equal to 2 hours 30 minutes. Word problems. Example 9. A car leaves Delhi for Agra at 6:30 am. It takes 4 hours to reach Agra. At what time will it reach Agra? Solution. Car leaves from Delhi at 6:30 am is equal to 0630. Time taken to reach Agra is equal to 4 hours is equal to 0400. 0630 is equal to 6 hours 30 minutes. 0400 is equal to 4 hours 00 minutes is equal to 10 hours 30 minutes. 10 hours 30 minutes is equal to 1030 is equal to 10:30 am. Hence, the car will reach Agra at 10:30 am. Example 10. Anil was admitted to a hospital on 15th May 2011 and discharged on 15th June 2011. How long did he remain in the hospital? Solution. Anil was admitted on 15th May 2011. The number of days in May that he remained in the hospital is equal to from 15th May to 31st May is equal to 17 days. The number of days in June that he remained in the hospital is equal to from 1st June to 14th June is equal to 14 days. Total days is equal to 17 plus 14 is equal to 31 days. Thus, Anil remained in the hospital for 31 days. Calendar. In class 3, we have read what is calendar. We have also learned how to find the dates and days of different occasions. Now let us learn more from calendar. A calendar is the record of all the dates and days of 12 months of a year. Except the month February, other 11 months of a year have 30 or 31 days. The number of days in February depends on the type of year as follows. Leap year. The year divisible by 4 is called a leap year. For example, the years 1992, 1996, 2000, 2004, 2008, 2012, etc. are leap years. Examine that each of these years is divisible by 4. In a leap year, February has 29 days. Other 11 months have 30 to 31 days. Also, there are 366 days in a leap year. Ordinary year. The year which is not a leap year is called an ordinary year. For example, 1993, 1994, 1995, 1997, 1998, 1999, 2001, 2002, 2003, 2005, 2006, 2007, etc. are ordinary years. In an ordinary year, February has 28 days. Other 11 months have 30 or 31 days. Also, there are 365 days in an ordinary year. The calendar for the year 2020 is given below. Calendar 2020. Look at the calendar carefully and consider following examples. Example 1. Is the year 2020 a leap year? How many days does February of this year contain? Solution. Since 2020 is divisible by 4, it is a leap year. The month February of this year has 29 days. Example 12. What is the day on 19th November 2020? What will be the day after 22 days from this date? Solution. The day on 19th November 2020 is Thursday, since same day is repeated after every 7 days. Thursday would come after 21 days. 7 into 3 is equal to 21 from 19th November. Then, name of the day after 22 days from 19th November is the next day of Thursday, that is Friday. Example 13. Find the days on the following dates of 2020. Solution. 1. Since 13th April lies in Monday, M, column, 13th April will be Monday. 2. Since 29th August lies in the column of Saturday, S, that day will be Saturday. Example 14. How many days are there from 14th March 2020 to 19th October 2020? Solution. Days left in March is equal to 31 minus 13 is equal to 18. Days in April is equal to 30. Days in May is equal to 31. Days in June is equal to 30. Days in July is equal to 31. days left in October is equal to 19. Total number of days is equal to 18 plus 30 plus 31 plus 30 plus 31 plus 31 plus 19 is equal to 220 days. Hence, there are 220 days from 14th March 2020 to 19th October 2020.